Alright, so this is the example that we've just finished in the last video. So go ahead and go to your next one. This one is x over 3 is equal to 1. Remember that this fraction just represents division. And so what I have to do is find out the possible values for x. So I have x divided by 3 is equal to 1. Well, I know the opposite of division is multiplication. So I got to multiply by 3 on both sides. So now I have x is equal to 1 times 3, which is 3. So I have to plot this on my number line. So I put a 3 here, and I shade that in. Because there's only one dot, and there's no arrows facing either way, we didn't shade in our number line, there's only one solution. But now I have to do the same thing for the next one. So I have x over 3 is less than or equal to 1. So I do this the same way. I draw a line through my equal sign. First thing, this is a fraction, that means division. The opposite of division is multiplication, so I got to multiply by 3 on both sides. So I'm left with x is less than or equal to 1 times 3, which is 3. So possible solutions for this. Well, something that's less than or equal to 3. So that could include 3, and anything that's less than 3. So now I need to plot this on my number line. So I find 3 on my number line, which is here. And so I look for this less than or equal to sign, which is right here. And that's going to tell me, should I shade this in or should I not shade this in? Well, it says I should shade this in. Anytime you have a line underneath your inequality sign, that means that you should shade that in. And so what I also know is if I draw an arrow and make this into an arrow, it tells me that I need to shade to the left. Because I shaded my number line, I'm going to say that there's many solutions. There's more than one. Because if you notice here, I have more than one solution, more than one possible value for x. I'm going to need you to glue your notes in. You're going to need to fold it in half in order for it to fit in your notebook. And then I need you to get started on your assignment. What I'm looking for is for you to choose 4 problems on each side. So I need you to choose 4 from here. And I also need you to choose 4 from this side and get those 8 problems done. So it's 8 problems all together. And then you're going to turn this in at the end of class, finished or not. So make sure that you are working and not doing so much talking.